In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Google Keep improves productivity for business owners. We'll walk through a simple system you can set up once and use every day to stay organized and move faster. Start by opening Google Keep. On the left, open the main menu and choose Create New Label. Labels are like flexible folders, and they make searching and sorting effortless. Add clear categories such as clients, content ideas, urgent, finance, personal, and follow-ups. Keep your list short and meaningful. Too many labels slow you down and create clutter, so stick to the buckets you'll actually use. Next, create actionable checklists. Click New Note, then tap the checkbox icon to turn the note into a list. Add one task per line, so each item is easy to complete and track. For example, you might add edit YouTube video, schedule Facebook post, reply to client email, and follow up insurance lead. As you work, check items off to keep momentum high. You can also drag tasks up or down to quickly reprioritize when plans change. Give yourself instant visual clarity by color coding notes by priority. Set green for income generating tasks, red for urgent items, blue for admin, and yellow for content. When your workspace is color consistent, your brain spends less time deciding what to do next and more time doing it. Turn notes into reliable commitments with reminders. Open a note, tap the bell icon, and set the date and time. You can also add location-based reminders and receive alerts across your devices, which makes Keep behave like a lightweight task manager without adding another app to your stack. Pin what truly matters so it never gets buried. Use the pin icon for your top 3 tasks of the day, weekly goals, and revenue targets. Pinned notes stay at the top, creating a focused control panel you'll see every time you open Keep. Build a simple daily productivity system with a reusable note. Title it something like Daily Focus and add the date. Inside, list your top 3 priorities, then secondary tasks, follow-ups, and a short end of day wins section to capture progress. Duplicate this template each morning so your plan is ready in seconds. Finally, connect. Keep with the tools you already use. Reminders sync with Google Calendar. You can send notes directly to Google Docs for longer writing or planning, and you can turn emails into notes from Gmail. Keeping everything inside one ecosystem reduces friction and makes your workflow predictable. Set this up once, keep it simple, and let Google Keep do the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing the business.